In our previous class, we have studied about how to make the changes in the cell content or how to delete the cell content. Like this, we have studied different topics in our previous video, in our previous class. Today, we are going to learn further new things like copy and paste, cut paste. So first thing that we are going to learn is how to copy and paste the data. Suppose I want to write the name of Puneet 10 times. Here you can see one table on your screen. In that table different names of students are there and marks are there in different subjects. Like Puneet has got 56, Rahul again 56, Kapil 33. Marks of students are there in the table. I want to write the name of Puneet 10 times. Okay, so it will take a lot of time. We have to write the name again and again. So no need to write the name again and again. Simply we can copy the name and we can paste at different places. So look how to copy and paste. First thing is, whatever cell you want to copy, you have to select the cell. Like I want to write the name of Puneet 10 times. So I will click here on this cell. On this cell I will click. After clicking here, we have to click on Home tab. After clicking on Home tab, here one option is there, copy option. So we have to click here. We have to click here on copy. After clicking on copy, wherever you want to paste the data, like I want to write the name of Puneet here, so I will click here on this cell. After clicking here on this cell, we have to click on paste option. Again, suppose I want to write the name of Puneet in this cell, so I will click here. After clicking here, we have to click on paste option. Like this, you can copy the data once and you can paste at different places. Okay, next topic that we are going to study is how to cut and paste. Cut means to move the contents from one place to another place. Now there is one table on your screen, or you can see in your book also. Again, different names are there and the marks are there of the students in different subjects. I want to move the name of Puneet from here to here. Okay, means here we want to write the name of Puneet. So we need to move the entry of Puneet from here to here. So what are the steps that we have to follow? Simply, I want to cut or I want to move the content of Puneet. So I have to click here on this cell where Puneet is written. After clicking here, we have to click on Home tab. Okay. After clicking on Home tab, you can see here one cut option is there. One scissors like option is there. So you have to click on this option. After clicking here, wherever you want to move the data, I want to move my data here in this cell, so I have to click here. After clicking here, I have to click on paste. First thing is, you have to cut the cell, or you have to cut the data. After cutting the data, you have to choose the cell wherever you want to move the data. After that, you have to click on paste option. Your data will be moved from that place to another place. Okay. We can use shortcut keys also to cut our data and to paste our data. So what are the shortcut keys? Method will be same. First thing is, you have to select the cell. We need to move the content of Puneet, so I will click here on Puneet. After clicking here, we need to move. So the shortcut key of cut is Ctrl plus X. We need to press these two keys at the same time. Okay, together we have to press these keys. So we have to press Ctrl and X. After pressing these keys, data will be cut from here. Then we want our data here in this cell, so I have to click here. After clicking here, we need to paste our data, so we can use the shortcut key of paste. Instead of clicking on paste, we can use the shortcut key also. So what is the shortcut key of paste? That is Control plus V. So we have to press both the keys together, Control and V, and your data will be pasted here. Okay, next topic is inserting cells. Again, there is one table you can see in your book. Names are there and marks are there of the students in different subjects, like the marks of Rohan are given, then Sonu, Meeta, Geeta, like this names are there. Okay, and marks are given in different subjects. Now by mistake I left the data of one student after Rohan. After Rohan we need to write one more name. Okay, so for that we need to shift these cells. We need to shift these cell downward. Okay, because we need one more cell here. We need to insert one more cell here. So how to insert that cell? For that you have to follow certain steps. What are the steps? First thing is, wherever you want to insert the cell, we want to insert the cell here on the second place, so I have to click here on the second cell. After clicking here, we have to click on this home tab. Our step 2 is we have to click on home tab. After clicking on home tab, here one option is there of insert. Okay, and after insert one arrow is there, so we have to click on that arrow for more options. That arrow is for more options. So after clicking on insert, you can see one drop down list will appear. In this list different options are there, so we need to insert the cell. So on which option we will click? We will click on the first option, that is insert cell. Okay, after clicking on this insert cell option, okay, you can see on this like this one dialog box will appear. After clicking on insert cells, one dialog box will appear on your screen. Here we have to choose the right option, so we need to shift the cells down. So on which option we will click? Shift cell down. After clicking here, we have to click on OK button. After clicking on OK, you can see here one cell is inserted. Now we can write the data of, or we can write the name of that student, okay, that we forgot to write. Like this we can insert the cell. Now next is how to insert rows in our data, or how to insert the columns. Look here on the screen. Again, marks of different students are there in different subjects, like Puneet, Rahul, okay, Komal, Prabha. So by mistake I forgot to write the name and marks of one student. Okay, as in school we used to write your names according to your roll numbers, means alphabetically wise. First we write the names of the student whose name starts from A, then B, C, like this we used to arrange your data. Okay, by mistake if we forgot to write one data in between, so how to insert the row? Today we are going to learn. So we need to insert the row here. I will click here. We have to select the row. After selecting the row, we have to click on home button. After clicking on home button, we need to insert, so I will click on insert option. After clicking on insert, now we need the complete row, so I will click here on the option insert sheet row. You can see insert sheet rows. I will click here. After clicking here, you can see one row will be inserted. Here you can see one row is inserted. Okay. Now next topic is how to delete the cells. Now how to delete the cell? Suppose I want to delete this cell. I want to delete the cell of Rahul. How to delete it? I have to click here on Rahul. After clicking here on Rahul, I have to click on Home tab. We will click here on Home tab. After this, can you see one delete option is here? We have to click here on delete option. Then from here we have to choose delete cells because we want to delete the cells. After clicking here, one dialog box will appear on your screen. You can see. So when you will delete a particular cell, automatically all the cells will be shifted upwards. That's why we have to choose which option? Shift cells up. Then we have to click on OK button. You can see in your book also, okay, all the cells are shifted upwards. Next is how to delete row or column. How to delete the particular row. Now see here on the screen. Suppose I want to delete this row. I don't want the data of Rahul. I want to delete. By mistake I wrote. So I will select the cells. After selecting the cells, we have to click on Home tab. After clicking on Home tab, again we need the option delete. After clicking on delete, from here we have to choose delete sheet rows because we want to delete the complete row. So that row will be deleted. You can see that row is deleted now. It is not there in your data. Like this, you can delete row or you can delete the column. Suppose if you want to delete the column, so what are the steps that you have to follow? I want to delete the name column, so I have to select the cells. After selecting the cells, we have to click on Home tab. After clicking on Home tab, from the options we have to choose delete. After clicking on delete, one drop down list will appear. From there you have to choose delete sheet columns. Instead of rows, we have to choose columns, and that particular column will be deleted.